Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've been playing with my new radio this morning, trying to learn all the millions of options. I mean, this thing has got so many options. Um, I was really disappointed with the ATS on this radio. It didn't do very good at all. So I thought maybe there's something that I need to change because there's so many options. So I did a scan on ATS with everything left in the default mode, and it picked up 7 signals, of which 6 were noise and 1 was data, and that's it. And that's been typical of doing an ATS with this radio. And I was like, okay, so I used my SDR with my computer. I used that to see what's out there because that's best case as far as reception. And there were a lot of stations out there that this guy was not receiving. So I thought, okay, let me look at the parameters under the ATS option. And there's many, like I said. One of them was judgment mode. And there was 2 options, quality or quantity. And the default was quality, and that's where I only got 7 stations total. So I changed that to quantity, knowing that I'm going to get a bunch of noise signals, but I was willing to accept it. So I did a scan again. I got 56 hits compared to 7 under the other mode. 56. 7 of which were good voice radio stations, as opposed to none before. I even got 3 ham people talking down 80 meters, of which 1 frequency, 3.885, they were communicating in AM instead of single sideband, so I could understand it. And this is another one. Of course, that was an hour ago, so conditions have changed. So this is not coming in as good. Let me turn it back up.
The butcher thought I was crazy. He didn't know me. He'd been the family butcher for
I believe this is Radio New Zealand.
the weekend when I wouldn't be disturbed. Bristol jokes.
So let me quickly go through what it found. Let me turn the audio off, and I'll go to the first one. So you can see there maybe 56 signals it found and saved. Okay, there's signal number 1. Noise. Noise. Maybe data, doubt it. Good. I believe that's the time signal out of Canada. There's ham, single sideband. More hams. Now there's the ham frequency that they're broadcasting in AM. So you can understand them if I'll shut up for a minute.
Bob, Charlie, I'm going to turn it to you. And
Okay.
You turn it to Bob, okay?
Another ham frequency. Another one. Maybe data. No. That's data. Data. Nothing. There we go.
This is a family-friendly adventure series where there's always a biblical lesson to be learned and a mystery to be solved. We're also bringing to life powerful gospel truths in a new series called History's Greatest Sermons.
That's WWCR out of Nashville, Tennessee. Loud and clear.
Many more, all dramatized and delivered by our very own
Not sure what that is. The WWV, which I did not get when I used the other mode, judgment mode. Nothing. Data. Yeah, weak signal.
Who suggest that Christ was uttering
There's a strong signal.
strictly towards those who crucified him, or strictly to those who were casting lots for his garment, and I refuse to make that interpretation because the broadest meaning is there.
I should remember what that is, but I don't. Weak station. Another weak station. Another one. Noise. Data. I think it's data. There's time signal, probably out of Canada. WWV, loud and clear. Data. Weak signal.
I finished the painting. I used all the paint in the original tubes. I pushed down the door lever. I'd only been inside for 2 hours. It felt like 10 days.
That's the
Like a child's
New Zealand. There's station. So, as you can see and hear, it picked up a lot of just noise, but it picked up a lot of, not a lot, it picked up, what was the count? 7 good, strong signals, voice stations, not including the hams. So that's the secret on this radio, is to change that judgment mode from quality to quantity. So I just thought I would show that to you. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I surely do wish you would. Have a great day. Bye-bye.